Well, hello everyone and welcome to a very special episode of the Thomas Clan because today is Landon's birthday. Happy birthday, Landon.
Happy birthday.
To who? To me? To you. How old are you today?
6.
6? Oh yeah. What, are you excited to be 6? Why are you excited to be 6?
Because I get much more older. Then I will be 7.
Well, that's a whole year away. It's a whole year away. So let me ask you, buddy. What do you want for your birthday?
A big monster truck.
You want a big monster truck? All right. Well, we're gonna have to talk to Mom about that. And anything else? Anything else special you want to do for your birthday?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. We'll have to see about that since we have our own special trip going tomorrow, right?
I think Chuck E. Cheese is way more expensive.
Yeah, it probably is. Well, all right. Well, it's just a short video. So do you want to say bye, everybody?
Bye.
And say like, share, and subscribe?
No.
No?
No. I'm talking to Nathaniel.
Oh, okay. Hold on, Nathaniel. Do you want to tell everybody to like, share, and subscribe? All right, go ahead. Tell everybody to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. I don't know how to say it.
Good job. All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.